Welcome to my third episode of Sean's Reviewing Food. Let's see if any of this food is better than my mom's ice cream from episode 1. But before we get started, I have to flip my hat backwards. Okay, so do you guys want this side or this side? Lock in your answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you guys picked this side. Last time you guys picked that side, but now you guys picked this side. Let's see what we got here. We got a big one right here. Okay. And we have goldfish. Yes, this goldfish. Let's see if it's better than my mom's ice cream.
Mr. Barron, you posted.
And look at there. We got all that goldfish. I'm gonna grab a handful and see if it's better than my mom's ice cream.
Did you post that video online as a means of getting revenge against your ex-girlfriend?
Yes.
So you know that you could be sent to prison for having posted revenge report, and that if you testify in this case, the jury will be made aware of your disgusting actions.
Yes. Yes.
To be clear, you also posted a caption that went along with the video, did you
I
not?
just wanted to second that. That was a mistake.
And what did that caption say?
I'll say.
Okay,
Oh, well here, maybe
so this
could help your friend.
gets a
Is that the caption?
this goldfish gets an 8 out of 10.
Sir.
So it's not better than my mom's ice cream.
Tastes like chicken.
Okay. Well, this thing gets 4 big booms. Boom! 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 And now we're moving on to this side. So, ready for the reveal of this food. It's very big too. Oh, Fruity Pebbles. Okay. So, I'm going to start this. But let's see if these Fruity Pebbles are going to be better than my mom's ice cream. Okay, there. Run out some milk.
This is for you. Restraining order. Gives me something to do.
Okay, let's see if it's better than my mommy's ice cream.
Why do I get the feeling that the actual restraining order might have been reactive?
No, this is a 10 out of 10. Not better than my mom's ice cream. This gets 5 big booms. Boom, 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 boom.
Is this about your love of restraining order?
See you next episode on Sean's Reviewing Food. Adioso!